Hello everyone! This will be our 20-second video on how to integrate multi-agent systems with AI for process and efficiency analysts to make their jobs easier.
Hello. I swear, if there's one thing I'm lazy about, it's putting together presentations. I have the data, I have the summary, I know what I want to say. But every time I have to present it to the board or committee, I waste half a day creating slides. Between copying, pasting, thinking about the design, and tweaking each graph, my day flies by.
You're not alone. It's one of the most common complaints among executives. And that's why the multi-agent system has a dedicated subagent, Presentations AI, designed to eliminate that burden so you can focus on what's important.
And you're going to tell me that I put together the presentation myself?
Exactly. It's not magic, it's intelligent automation. Every time there's a new plan, an implementation, an important result, or a decision, this AI kicks in and generates a ready-to-use executive presentation with all the necessary elements, such as context introduction, situation analysis, objectives, and KPIs, current results, recommendations, next steps, all in a clear, professional, and visual format.
And how do you know what to include? Because putting together a PowerPoint is one thing, and understanding what data goes into it and how to present it is quite another.
Because it's connected to all the other subagents. Presentation AI doesn't work alone. It takes data from the indicator monitor, interprets insights from the statistical analyst, incorporates the plan from the action plan generator, and uses simulations from predictive AI. It's like having the entire team behind a presentation, but up and running in seconds.
And are they in PowerPoint? PDF? What format?
You can choose the format. If you need something editable, it's available in PowerPoint. If you're sending it, it's available in PDF. And if the meeting is remote or you want a more dynamic experience, you can even generate an interactive version that can be navigated from any browser. Plus, it automatically adapts to your company's branding.
What if I have a meeting in 10 minutes?
You'll have the presentation in just 1 minute. Literally. With a cover page, corporate design, executive summary, automatic visuals, and consistency throughout. And if you need to review, you can ask the system for a script with the key ideas for each slide, just as if you had someone preparing your speech for you.
That's crazy. Because every time I have to present, I waste time aligning the design, downloading graphics, searching for data, and putting everything together.
With this subagent, all that disappears. No more emails with the designer requesting a more impactful cover or asking for the latest version of the graphic. You just need to focus on the message, the format, the order, the graphics. The system creates them for you automatically.
And can you customize the presentation to the audience? Because speaking to the CEO isn't the same as speaking to the operations team.
Yes, and that's one of its biggest advantages. If you're presenting to the board, it generates a strategic version, focused on impact, key decisions, and macro results. If it's for the operational team, it generates a more tactical version, specific tasks, responsible parties, a detailed schedule, indicators by area, etc.
And may I ask for a one-page executive summary?
Of course. In fact, you can request it in any format you want. A one-page PDF, a ready-to-send email with highlights, an infographic for WhatsApp, or a visual post for your intranet. You can even ask me to prepare several formats at once.
Incredible. So, I no longer need a designer or analyst to present clearly and professionally.
Okay, I've already figured out how to communicate upstream and downstream, but now I need to figure out how to get all departments working together without silos or duplicating tasks.
Okay. I've already figured out how to communicate upstream and downstream. But now I need to figure out how to get all departments working together without silos or duplicating tasks.
And that's the job of the next key agent we'll talk about in the next video, the interdepartmental collaboration agent. They break down silos, connect all areas, align goals, and ensure no one is left out of the system. From purchasing to sales, everyone is on the same page.
Very interesting. Because if this doesn't flow between departments, efficiency falls by the wayside. I want to see how having a frictionless company becomes a reality. I'd like to speak with someone first to clarify a couple of questions I have about specific processes for my company. Can you put me in touch with someone?
If you have any questions or suggestions, just contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada on LinkedIn. He'll be able to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve the lives of people and companies.